Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Imisebenzi for labo graduates, those abanama degree, abanama diploma, abangasebenzi okwamanje, nabo sizobakhela imisebenzi. Recently nizwile uMinister of Health ethi labo abangodokotela, the doctors who are unemployed are all going to be employed. Bazayithola imisebenzi. We are going to continue also recruiting 10,000 yamaphoyisa ukuthi sikwazi ukuvikeleka. The Department of Home Affairs has set its mind on employing 10,000 of people who are well versed in IT as well. So we are going to continue creating jobs, real jobs, so that we can bring down the unemployment rate.
Lezithembiso zenziwa uPresident Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa kwakuFebruary ka-2024 ezeMoses Mabhida enza lezethembiso. Kuthe kungakahlangani ngisho unyaka ezishili zethembiso lezi kwabe sekuvela indaba yodokotela base Eastern Cape mangabe if I'm not mistaken abahamba botoyitoya bekhala ngokuthi ama contract abaphelile bamisiwe bakhalela abantu basemakhaya ngoba imisebenzi ayikho kanti upresident wayithembisile. Kodwa ke angekho lapho sanibona angisabingelelanga. Namuhla ke ngifisa sikhulume nje ngedebate njengoba bekune debate sona i-State of the Nation address entweni eshow president enhlelweni abanazo ezi-GNU. Kule statement kule sona statement ati ikhona ke kwasukuma ama political parties ahlukene ke debate isona. Kodwa ke namuhla sizobheka kakhulu ukuthi EFF itheni. Noma nje EFF im-exposile upresident. Kodwa ke akuzukusho mina ngizwe ngathi im-exposile upresident. Kodwa ke ngizodlala iEFF uzwe ukuthi uthini. Sikhulume ngayo ebese sixoxa nje ngayo ukuthi wena mawulalela noma wena mawubuka ukhona inguquko efuneka sizilindele na. Kodwa lokho sokukhuluma ngendlela ivideo ngithanda usuyizwile. Bengithi nje angiqale kwizethembiso zakhe upresident azisho. Kwizethembiso zakhe ngingangena futhi kwezinye izethembiso zakhe bese ngena kuEFF isikhathi siyangivumela. Athi ngithathe ezinye izethembiso zakhe upresident ebese sicaphuna iEFF asizu ukuthatha inkulumo yonke iEFF kodwa socaphuna lapho ngoba inhloso yethu ukuthi siveze idebate ngeside leEFF bese wena ungitshela ukuthi ngokwakho ukubona ubona kanjani. iEFF iqinisile noma iEFF iyaphambuka.
We will continue to support small enterprises and entrepreneurs and cooperatives, especially emalokishini nasemakhaya in our villages. We want our villages to become centers of economic activity in agriculture, yes, in entrepreneurship. We must see our people active also in our townships, yes, trading, making things. Yes, through that we will provide an additional 1 million work opportunities.
Lezi ngezinye zezethembiso kweziningi upresident asesithembise zona. Lezi zaziza eweza ngoFebruary ngo-2024. Sizongena manje kwi-debate ye-EFF sizwe yona ukuthi itheni kwi-debate yayo. Kodwa ngaphambi basingene kwi-debate ye-EFF ngidlulisa ukubonga kakhulu kwabasubscribile abalike ivideo, abashare amavideo, abakhomentayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga. Ngibonga nenhlonipho esinayo la ku comment section. Ave ngijabulele indlela esixoxa ngayo ngoba ikhombisa ukuthi sisiyakhula. Ngiyayithanda kakhulu inhlonipho ekhona nengiyibonayo. Yinhle kakhulu. Ngifise ngathi ngangayeka noma zikhona ke ixhwanguxhwangu evela ngene nje umuntu asithuke konabo labo siyaba entertainer kodwa nje sengathi bangancipha labo bantu. Ukuphambana kwemibono noma kwenzeka sikhulume kabi ngomuntu omthandayo noma ngeqembu olithandayo, silalele uphume kithi. Uma ubona ukuthi mhlambe sikhuluma information okungesiyo, sicorrect usinike information right, ungasithuki. Ilokho nje mina engikushoyo. Kodwa ngikubona kungenzeki la. Yebo ngishilo ukuthi ikhona ixhwanguxhwangu, sizama ukuzicorrect amasibona ukuthi asicorrecteki sesizibe ngoba usuku umuntu esonela inkulumo yethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyacela ke kuwo ongaka subscribe ku channel, ulike ivideo, ushare, ucomment. Uma kwenzeka futhi kuvela ama advert nawo uwabuke ngoba ngokwenza njalo uya contribute kule channel financial. Kuwe ukubuka ama advert akucost imali. Ukubuka nje advert mayu 30 seconds, ukubuka nje lo 30 seconds udlule kuyo. Uzobe usucontribute financial. Kumahala nje akucosti lutho. Sizongena ke manje enkulumeni ka EFF. Bathatha abantu engizoba quote ku EFF, ningithethele lamagama abantu ngibuye ngibakhohle. Amanye angifuni ukwabiza kabi. Kodwa nje sizogcina ngoNaledi Chirwa. Sizoqala ngalaba ababili. Mangibakhumbula ngizobasho ukuthi bangobani. Ozokhuluma manje uMawodwe, ngicela uzwe yena.
Chair, year in, year out, Mr. Ramaphosa comes here and make promises without accounting for the promises he made the previous year. It's as if he's permanently on the reset button. And the sad thing is, every time he opens his mouth, more and more people become statistics of unemployment, of poverty, of rape and murder. Mr. Ramaphosa, why don't you rather keep quiet and go look after your Ankole in Palapala farm? Because you are the elephant in the room. There's no hope for our youth. Men and women are lingering in the streets of South Africa in absolute poverty and despair. We've listened to the submissions by the members of the former liberation movement and their allies, the right-wing new liberal forces who are waging a war against Bella, the NHI, expropriation of land without compensation, and all progressive and transformative legislation. We will meet on the picket lines, in the streets, and everywhere our people need us to fight for service delivery, to fight against injustices, fight against corruption and maladministration, and to restore the dignity of a black child. We will never retreat. Commander-in-Chief, when President Cyril Ramaphosa said in his first and second State of Nation addresses in 2018 and 2019 that they had a plan for critical areas of investment that would support structural transformation, growth and job creation, what exactly was he talking about? Because since then, we've seen nothing but suffering, deepening unemployment and rising cost of living. Mr. Ramaphosa, when you started in 2018 and said Tumamina, the price of bread was 12 rand. Today is 22 rand. The price of a liter of petrol was 15 rands. Today is 25 rands. The price of 2.5 meal was 21 rand 84 cents. Today is 39 rand 19 cents. Our people cannot afford to eat.
Usisi la ubuyele mumva waseyamkhumbuza upresident ukuthi president ngo2018 nango2019 wathi nine plan yokuthi nizo investor kuze kuqasheke iyouth, kodwa namhlanje abantu basaphila enhluphekweni nasendlaleni. Uze uthi bona bazinikele njenge-EFF ukuthi bazophuma baye ebantwini futhi basazoyilwela ukuthi ifike iservice delivery ebantwini. Ilokho akushoyo usisi la ngoba ubuyele emumva uthi njobe belalele upresident ekhuluma yonke lento abekayisho ngoba wakwayisho ngaphambilini yini umehluko. Uzuthi ngathi ku reset button phela into mayiku reset ukuthi ihambe uthi reset ibuyele emumva iphinde iqale phansi. Uthi ngathi ku reset button uphinde kuqale phansi usho nje lento okusho ukuthi noma ngangasenza state of the nation address ngoba kuzobuya zona lezi ethembiso lezi ayizenzile ngaphambilini kuzobe kungahluke lutho kodwa kuzobe kufana iphathi yokuqala esicaphunayo le esure iEFF ngopresident ngiyafisa ukuzukubona kwakho ukuthi cha iEFF ayisho iqiniso noma isho iqiniso ngiyakufisa nje ukuzukubona kwakho isigaba sokuqala lesizojumpela kowesibili ngoba angizimisele ukuthi sifaka amavideo amaningi izigcinisa inde kakhulu le video kodwa ngifisa sikukhava okubalekile usizi nje into ayibuza kuqala ukuthi ngesikhathi uthi lento izokwenzeka yini osuyenzile uthi uzala uzokhuluma kodwa awu account ukuthi sesenze lokho sagcina la sizoqhubeka la siye la konke nje uqala phansi uza neplan entsha phezulu kwamaplan ofike nawo wanga implementa ngisho yodwa yawo.
Your chief whip comes and speaks about the National Development Plan. Yet former President Thabo Mbeki, who all of you like to quote, keeps telling you, Mr. President, the NDP is not a plan. Why? A plan requires clear steps, time frames, measurable objectives, and defined responsibilities at each and every level of government. Now, President, we felt the pain of Minister Sihle Zikalala. He's a master's candidate. Rather, he's got a master's. He's got experience in governance. But you have reduced him into a boy and deputy minister of an illiterate, matriculate white man. You are reminding us of the racist corporate sector where our brothers and sisters must account to white juniors, even though they've got better qualifications and better experience than them.
Utuputilo, President. Simzwilu chief whip wako ethi nine National Development Plan kodwa uPresident Thabo Mbeki uhlaze nikhumbuza njalo ukuthi iNational Development Plan akuyona iplan ngoba iplan isuke ine time frame ukuthi izoqala ngesikhathi esithize iye ngesikhathi esithize bese iba nama responsibilities ukuthi iofficial thize bazokwenza ukuthi ngesikhathi esithize kanje kodwa uma ungenawo lawo ma plan in place kufuneka iproper plan kufuneka kwazi ukuthi ubani uzokwenza ini ukuze akwazi uba accountable mayengayenzanga uma singakenziwa lezo zinto akuyona iplan ilento abayisho bese kwi statement sakhe sesibili uthi President sibuzwile ubhlungu buka Deputy Minister we Public Works Sihle Zikalala ngoba une experience yokuba uminister uyawazi umsebenzi futhi une masters ngokufunda kodwa umthathe wena wamenza isekela lomuntu ono matric kuphela ongena experience ngokuba yiminister ongawazi umsebenzi kodwa usaphusha lento yokuthi abamhlophe bangcono kunabamnyama kwenze lento yenziwa kwezinye indawo kuthathwe umlungu oyijunior kodwa abeke ukuthi akaphatha abantu abangama senior usho njalo but lezi lento iziyangikhumbuza lento eyenzeka ku Defence Force umama uAngie Motshekga akazi lutho uminister ideputy yakhe uGeneral Bantu Holomisa uGeneral wonke uGeneral wazi yonke into ngamasosha kodwa uyisekela lomuntu ongazi lutho hayi naku nami sengiveza ukuthi ngiyahambelana nalento eshiwo iEFF kodwa ngempela iwakho umqondo ukuthi uGeneral Bantu Holomisa uGeneral irank yakhe leyo ayi ukuthi igama liphiwe nje uGeneral Bantu Holomisa kodwa uyideputy kamama uAngie Motshekga enjakazi lutho uma kuphuma ku Department of Education uyazibuza ukuthi kungani kungathathwa uGeneral anikezwe umsebenzi ukuba yiminister yamasosha mhlawumbe ngakho kuphuma amasosha afika le mala le ngoba aphethe umuntu ongazilutho uyena ofuneka akhipha ama instruction akazilutho isekela lakhe phela linawo amandla umuntu onamandla ilophethe asicaphune nangu naleli chiro ngingaze ngikhulume kakhulu.
If you were not being bullied, the South African government would pass legislation that all the food bought by government for public facilities should be sourced from small-scale farmers and food producers. This in itself will create sustainable economic activity and inspire many unemployed young people in the country to go into food production because there will be income and financial benefits to boost other economic activities out of it. We would increase state capacity and stop rendering the development of this nation to the greed of tenderpreneurs. We will always need cleaners, Mr. President, truck drivers, security guards, surveyors, healthcare workers, and engineers. There is no tangible reason to subject our nation to the mercy of the private sector through tenders for basic functions of the state. Build the capacity of the state you are in charge of. Do the actual work.
Uyabeka nangu sis, ayi uyabona mawumlalela lo sisi ngamlalela usuku lonke ngendlela akhuluma into ezakho umqondo kimi uthi iParliament funa bakhe imithetho ozothi konke ukudla okuthengwa uhulumeni for public facilities kungaba zikole kungaba ngamajele kungaba kodwa ukudla nje okuthengwa for nje into ezisuke zithinta umphakathi akuthengwe kuma small scale farmers and producers ukuze leyo nto leyo izokhanda amathuba omsebenzi lokho kuzophushela intsha automatically ukuthi ayingene kuyifarming ngoba kuzobe kune income uzokwazi ukuthi mawuproduce into ethize izothenga uma ngabe ukhulisa izinkukhu zithengwa uhulumeni ukuze lonto izokhulisa umkhakha ukuthi intsha ayiyeke ukufidwa u350 kodwa ayizenzele into ezobafakela imali futhi kukhandeka amathuba emsebenzi. Uthi usisi lo uma kwenza kanjalo kuzophela nalento labantu abizwa ngokuthiwa ama-tenderpreneurs abantu bamathenda ngoba sonke siyazi ukuthi abantu bamathenda igcine ngabenefiti wonke umuntu ngoba amathenda esikhathini esiningi aphuma ngokwazana nangobungani kodwa bangathiwa kwenziwa lento eshuwo unaledi chirwa la singaboni iSouth Africa ibangcono ngoba abantu abasha bazokwazi bona futhi bazokhuthala ukuthi abakhuthale basebenze ngoba bazosupplya kwigovernment bese kuthola imisebenzi asiphinde simcaphuna okugcina
Imbile yaswela umsila ngokuyalezela. Don't just talk about industrialization. Do it. We export almost everything in this country, and your government oversees the compromise of industries we used to dominate. What is the reason that we export Ivaslap Yogeza when we were once a nation that boasted dominance in the textile industry? It is because you are bullied. Initiate the establishment of a state-owned mining company, housing construction company, a state roads company, a state cementing company, because we can no longer tolerate what the party of convicts is doing in Johannesburg with the money that is meant to build our roads. Introduce vocational education in earlier grades. Decolonize the education curriculum. We want you to be exhausted of creating matriculants who have zero skills to show after 12 years of being in the education system. This while children as young as 9 years old are being taught robotics in China. You have been president for 7 years now. May this be the very last State of the Nation address where you hide the shame of your incompetency behind a vision board that never comes to fruition.
Uthuna lady la ungalokhulumi ngeindustrialization yenze kuyihlazo ukuthi eSouth Africa si importa yonke into ngempela kuyihlazo ngisho ithawula lokugeza ivaslap importa sithenga ngaphansi ngisho toothpick lokuvungula angazi mina ukuthi sihlulwa ukhandi toothpick uthi ke akulungiswe ama firm industrialization ayilungiswe uthi futhi akube unyaka wokugcina lo usubusa iminyaka u7 akube unyaka wokugcina lo uzofika la uzothula iState of the Nation address ucashe emva kwevision board njalo ukhuluma ngevision kanti ivision yenziwa nini ukuze iphile phela siyibone ngoba phela funeka iqalelwe sibone ukuthi sekuqalile kuqhubeka lento yasho upresident yingakho ngithi lo ntombazane ngingamlalela usuku lonke ngoba ukhuluma into engizizwa ukuthi ziyawakha umqondo akuwakhi ngempela umqondo ukuthi singa importa yonke into ngisho toothpick lokuvungula nje uthi lo lokuvungula ivaslap ithawula lokugeza uyabona nje khona abantu abaphatha amathawula ababiza ngamathawula amabhinqa akhandwa le China kubenefit ama-China aphathwa yithi asetshenziswa yithi ukube akhandwa yithi besizoba proud ngoba bekuzosezokwazi ukuthi njoba siwathenga sithuthukisa thina kodwa kunalokho sithuthukisa amanye amazwe. Uthusisi ku-president khanda ama-state companies bene company ekhanda usimende onwa i-state ukuze uma kwakhiwa ama-RDP usimende uthengwe, uma kwakhiwa ama-mall usimende uthengwe kwi-company onwa i-state, company ekhanda iyitina, company kuningi nje akushilo kodwa ukuthi akonwe i-state lezi zinto ngoba izinto lezi state ezisebenzayo. Upresident ukhulume ngokwakhiwa kwe-infrastructure, kwi-construction nje infrastructure iyodwa kudingeka i-company ekhanda usimende, i-company ezokhanda iyitina, i-company ama-ring force, kuningi singakubala kodwa sithi lo uthi no akukhandwe ama-company we-state. Lawo makhampani lawo mayi-ownwa i-state azonqeda lento yama-tenderpreneurs ngoba ama-tenderpreneurs awasiza abantu, awuyisizi economy, awuyilamuli into ye-unemployment kodwa kunalokho yenza abathize baceba abangabangani babathize ngoba indlela okusetshenzwa ngayo. Yingakho ngithe uNaledi Chirwa ngingamlalela usuku lonke. Ngibuka isikhathi sesambe kakhulu and le video bengingafuni kube i-video ende. Mhlambe sobuye simcaphune ngelinye ilanga. Mhlambe sobuye simcaphune ngelinye ilanga kodwa ke uma nithi asesiqhubeke naye sokwenza ivideo eceleni ngozwa ngani comment section. Mina ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mina nani asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Kodwa ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike, ushiye umbono wakho. Ngiyakujabulela ukuzwa umbono wakho ngoba ne-channel efuneka ikhule. Umbono wakho nesingaku-improve nesingakulungisa kungenza ukuthi le channel iye phambili. Umbono nje wonke ngivulelekile ukuthi ingeza. Ungajoyina futhi ne-membership yale channel. Qala ku-R20 ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Yana ngiyacela nje subscribe, ulike, subscribe. Ngiyagcizelela nje subscribe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.